Hello everybody, welcome to the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I have a quick unboxing for you today. It is from Dress Up Your Purse, and I got these items during one of their 40% off flash sales. And by the way, I will link them down below in the description box. I am an affiliate, but I did pay for all of these items myself. All right, so I got a little card here, and I just thought these would be useful for some of my items here. Okay, so what do I have here? I got a cord keeper and a new drawstring. I didn't really need the drawstring, I just wanted the cord keeper because I have a No ABB and I thought this would be helpful. So I got this. It looks like it's pretty nice quality here. I also have a cotton suede insert for the mini pochette, which I'm gonna be trying out. So let's open that up first. I have my mini pochette. I actually got this from Yugi's Closet for a really good price, and it's in pretty much like new condition. So there's not really a lining in here, and I wanted something to help keep its shape and protect it. So that is why I have this insert. I like the cotton suede, it's soft. I'm not a fan of polyester faux suede, so I personally prefer the cotton suede, and I have the same insert for the pochette accessoire, and I liked it, so thought I would pick this up. I got it in pale pink. It's really cute actually. So here it is. Let's put this inside, see how it fits. So it's really kind of nice, soft and plush, and it has a couple pockets inside. I don't really know what I would use these pockets for, but maybe I would use this one, I don't know, maybe for cards or something, I don't even know. All right, so let's try to slide this in here. And I have been keeping this stuffed with some fabric scraps, but hopefully this will kind of help it keep its shape. This does take up, it's a little on the thicker side, so it will take up a little bit of room in this pouch. Seems to fit pretty good though. Stuff this in. Yeah, it fits nicely. I think the quality is decent for the price. I'm actually pretty amazed at how expensive some of these things are. So when I saw this on sale, I decided to give it a shot. And this will help protect the inside of the pouch. Let me try to get it in as far as I can here. All right, so you can see how snug it fits in here. All right. There we go. So here's how it looks with the organizer. It does help it to keep its shape a bit, and I'll probably put the fabric scraps in additionally just to kind of help keep it stuffed here. But this is how it looks. But it does give it a little bit more structure with the inserts. So, okay. I am having a little bit of trouble zipping it up, but I think it's decent quality. It fits pretty snug. So here it is with the insert. Last but certainly not least, I have this item, and it is in a nice box here. I've been wanting to try this out for a while, and I saw this hit the flash sale as well, and I thought this was my chance. Ooh, this is nice, and the color is actually a little bit more intense than it looks on the website, but I think that's a good thing. This is their sort of dupe for the kirigami, and it's the small size. It's a little bag charm and card holder. This is made of leather, and it also has the cotton suede interior, which I do like. It's a really nice size. You could use it as a keychain, or you could use this as a little wallet on the go card holder. Leather quality feels really nice, and I love the color. I originally wanted the purple color, but they were sold out, but this color is very neutral, and I like it. I think it'll go with a lot of things. So you can use this as a bag charm or to attach to your keys, and I'll show you what fits inside. Hold on a second. All right, I took all the plastic off so you can see the hardware. It's pretty nice quality, especially for the price. Leather quality seems nice. It's got a snap, and I do really like the colors, so we're gonna see what fits inside. This is the Apple AirPod Pro, so you can fit this inside. All right, and snaps up. So actually that would be a good use for, and it doesn't really bulge out. You probably can't fit a full-size lip product in here, but you can certainly fit a mini one. This is by Fresh Sugar. So you can fit one of these in here. It does, this one bulges out like, not really actually. So that's pretty good too. Still keeps a pretty slim profile. And we're gonna try cards. I have some play cards. I've got about 5 of them. So we're gonna put those inside. So if you wanted to do some cards and cash and use this as a mini wallet, I think you could do that. There we go. It definitely fits 5 cards in there very easily, and you could certainly slip a couple folded up bills in here as well. I really like the design of this, and it's a really good budget-friendly alternative to the Louis Vuitton kirigami. Those are way more expensive, and this one, I think it's priced pretty well, especially if you can use a coupon code. By the way, if you use the coupon code Sewing Report, you can get 15% off of your order of regular priced items. The flash sale stuff does not apply. So that's just a quick haul of some of my dress up your purse items. If you have any of these or have tips or advice for using any of them, let me know down below in the comments. I'm Jen with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel, and I'll see you again in the next one.